What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackmon here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. I'm at a single family, 2-bed, 1-bath property in Cuyahoga Falls. Just running some numbers on what it would take to completely rehab this property, revitalize this property. It's going to need everything from top to bottom. It's going to be a complete gut job. The kitchen, as you can see, needs lots of repair. Ceiling, floors. So we're just gonna do a walkthrough, see what it's gonna take to get it fixed up, and hopefully make the seller a fair offer. So that's what we do. We're always looking at houses. If you know anybody who might be thinking about buying or selling real estate, definitely give us a call, 330-685-2220. Or you can just visit our website, www.investparamount.com.